Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Code Cartel, and in this video, we'll be talking about my app called Adat. Now, Adat is basically a habit tracker slash daily planner, hopefully. For now, this is a habit tracker. I wanted to include some of the stuff around daily planning, my to-do list. A lot of things will be there that I wanted to use as an excuse to learn about backend development and also become a better Android developer. So that's the idea, to release the product in the market with a good backend and to learn a lot more around development in general. And that will make me a good full stack app dev. That was the whole idea behind it. I showcased 2 to 3 different users and they were excited about this product, and I think they liked it, the simplicity of it, and also they liked the newer ideas that I'm hopefully introducing in the next months. But hopefully this will be super interesting. This will be a very simplistic habit tracker that you can just check in, start your streak, and it just works. That's the whole idea. It's not monetized as of yet. I do not care about monetization as of yet. The whole idea is to just test the market. And for now, let me showcase you what I'm building right now. I was actually accessing my production level backend, not my local level backend, and that was causing this problem. Now I am on the local level backend and it seems to be working fine. Let me quickly update this. This is the read books. Okay, you can just select how many times you need to be reminded, and then you can actually log in here, and as you can see, it pops in right here. Now it will show you the habit that you're tracking, the read books, and it will show your profile. It will show you current streak, best streak, daily reminder, feedback, app version, logout, and delete. So this is the basic app and it is on the production right now. So it is working pretty much. You can just check in like this. It pops in, a very good check-in idea, and you can just daily go and check your habits, and that's what is working right now. Let me showcase you. Yeah, this is the light mode. Seems pretty minimalistic. That is what I'm doing right now. Of course, there's a lot more to do in the app right now, and there will be a lot more coming. This will be something that will add a lot more value in the upcoming future. I've always loved the idea of building my app that solves the user's problems and helps me earn some side income, maybe even grow into a full-fledged business. But there's a problem. It isn't very easy to build an app and sell it to the users. It is easy to think of ideas. I can think of one right now. What about a drinking game app, right? Does it even solve a problem? Drinking is fun, I guess. Having socializing with friends is fun, but I don't think so anybody will open it. Does it solve the real problem? Will anybody use it? That's the big problem. You can think of many ideas, but will it actually solve a problem? So that's the thing. We always encounter it as a developer, as a product manager, as a UI designer. What is product market fit? A product that users already know how to use, need, and enjoy. And the idea of building something unique causes some problems. The users must learn to use this unique product. For example, a drinking game. It requires some kind of learning curve to actually deliver on the product, right? It must solve the user's problem better than the previous solution. Did they require a game? Do they enjoy bingo drinking? These are all the problems that user might encounter, and do they actually need solving? And even if they do, how will you monetize them? So these are all of the things that you need to think about while building something unique. If you're building a product, you have all these problems like ease of use, product market fit, a lot of problems. The easy path is pretty simple. Copy something and add your own twist to it. Why did I say copy something? Because app is already present in the market. It is already solving a problem. If it exists in the market and it has a lot of downloads, it is a good product market fit already. It solves a problem. It is good enough for the users to use, and users already know how to use it. Just copy that existing thing and add your own twist into it. So I think this was a good introduction. So these are all the questions that you can use to make your own app idea and think about them. Think of it as an app philosophy. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this session. And if you did, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. And of course, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.